What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In the last videos, we were in San Antonio, Texas for a rodeo and the Riverwalk. In this video, we're traveling from San Antonio, Texas to Arizona. And this is going to be a different type of video. So first of all, I want to say that originally the plan was to drive to El Paso, Texas, spend a few nights there, go into Mexico for lunch one day, and then the next head further west. Unfortunately, the weather had other plans, as well as the campground we were supposed to stay at not being what we expected. The drive from San Antonio to El Paso was increasingly beautiful, with more mountains and changing landscape with every mile. Though Texas is a huge state, the drive was extremely long, that being 8 to 10 hours. Once we got to the campground in El Paso, we were exhausted from the drive, but also paying attention to the weather and the area that we were in. I really didn't take any footage of El Paso or the campground because I didn't feel the need to, but long story short, we didn't like the area where the campground was located. We had this site booked for 2 days, but the weather aspect was that there was a wind advisory of 35 to 45 mile per hour winds and gusts of up to 70 miles per hour the day we were supposed to leave El Paso to go towards Arizona. So we decided to just stay overnight due to both circumstances. Therefore, I had to pass up on Mexico for now. The next day we left and headed towards New Mexico. It was smarter for us to travel on this day instead of the next day because of the wind advisory. Although, I must admit, the drive was pretty windy, with winds still at about 20 miles per hour. And anybody that has driven one of these bigger vehicles knows that the wind pushes and pulls you, and it's kind of hard to keep control of these things sometimes. But all this scenery and all the beauty that I've endured so far as we head west is the reason why I love coming out here. Finally, Arizona. The next stop is Tombstone, but you'll have to wait till next week to see those videos. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts and comments down below. Thanks for all the love and support. I'll see you next time, going for a car ride.